Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to resize objects while keeping their proportions in Google Drawings. My name is Tyler Osborne. So here I have an ice cream cone, and one of the problems with resizing is if you drag it, sometimes you end up making things a little bit out of proportion. So even when you're taking it from the corner, it can be really hard to keep that proportion exactly the same as you had it before, and you might end up with things getting a little bit too fat or too skinny. So there's a really easy way to keep the proportions the same and just make an object larger or smaller. So the way to do that is to press and hold the shift key and then go to the corner with your mouse, click on it, and then you can drag it out. And I can't change the proportion even as I'm dragging. So you'll see that my mouse isn't in that corner, but the shape is automatically staying to the right shape. So I'm going to let go and it's a lot bigger. Now this trick only works in the corners. If you try to press and hold the shift key in the middle here, it doesn't change. It doesn't keep the proportions. It changes the proportions. So that's only the corner that it works. So you press and hold the shift key, click the corner, and drag it to the desired size. All right, that's all you need to know. Thanks for watching.